We are not talking about small amounts here. I'm talking about significant payments coming through like $200, $300, and even $350. In today's video, I am going to reveal to you a Google trick to make this significant amount of money. Many people do not know about this trick, and those who do are simply keeping it to themselves. I understand why that is, but I am not going to shy away from providing you with the secrets to making money online. So allow me to share the best of what I know with you. The great thing is that this method is available in all countries in the world and pays out in many different payment options. This is also 100% free, which means it does not require any investment at all. Stay tuned and watch until the very end to learn the secret Google trick and work towards your first payment starting today. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. First and foremost, you will jump to google.com and type in shrinkme.io and press enter. You'll see the first website named ShrinkMe, the most trusted URL shortener network now. When you click on this link, you'll be redirected to the actual website, and this is where you'll learn how to earn $260 in mere minutes. All you need to do is follow my steps, and you have to use the exact Google trick in order to start making money from this website. There are people making money every single minute through this website, and I'm not exaggerating it at all. You can see plenty of real income proofs. Basically, this website pays out on time every single day without delay and never misses a payment. They have plenty of methods for you to cash out your earnings aside from the ones you can choose from, like a bank transfer. The first step is that you must sign up for a free account. Secondly, you must shorten a URL link, and then you must share that link somewhere else on the internet. And don't worry, I'll teach you precisely how to do it in just a minute. And finally, the third step of the process where you can start earning a passive income of a large sum of money, that too in just a few minutes, once you set up the system correctly. If you don't watch the video all the way through, you risk missing out on crucial components and not making any money. Or even worse, the money that you're being sent may get stuck inside your account, which I really don't want to happen to you. So stay tuned because I will walk you through the process step by step. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, just go to the top right-hand corner and you'll see Register. Just click on this link, and then you just have to register for a brand new membership. Now get this, you will instantly get $1 for free once you sign up for a free account. It's as if they are practically begging you to make an account. This is just a sign-up bonus, and you can't cash it out yet. Once you make $5, you can begin to cash out your money. This is one of the reasons why I love this website. And let me also tell you, this website pays out daily and almost instantly, and they cover a wide variety of different payment methods in just a few minutes. I'll teach you exactly how to make money, and that too instantly by using a secret Google trick method starting today. But before that, let me quickly show you basically how everything works in a nutshell. Now, in order to do so, you'll have to head on over to YouTube and find a very specific video. Secondly, get a URL link of that particular YouTube video. Once the URL link has been shortened, you have to share it with another website to move on to the next step of the process. I'll reveal my secret traffic source so you can get a lot of attention and clicks on your link. You'll earn a lot of money every time someone clicks on your link. Allow me to demonstrate a different payment rate that you will get. You'll earn $22 for every 1,000 clicks on your link from residents of Greenland. You will earn $10 if you get individuals from the United States to click on your link. You'll soon see that individuals from all around the world are clicking on your link. You get a different rate each time, which is why I'll teach you some particular Google methods that will encourage a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link, and that's how you make the maximum amount of money, which is $22 in this instance. So I'll tell you how to locate the most excellent videos on YouTube, since you won't earn any money if you find a lousy video. I'll tell you how to locate the best video for this purpose. You'll have to go to the web page and shorten the URL. Once you have the shortened URL, go to Google and utilize an astonishing technique to double your money and earn a lot of cold hard cash using a unique way. I'm happy to explain to you the complete approach, so please hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. So here's my first tip. Go to YouTube right now. Weight loss videos are the greatest performing videos I've ever seen. When individuals want to learn how to get in shape or lose weight, they will immediately go to YouTube and search for the videos they want. When you go there, you'll key in weight loss video, then click on filter, and then click on this week. Now find the video with most views, likes, and comments for the current week, since there will be competition from other videos that have just been released. You'll discover the best performing videos, the ones having a lot of views. Click on the video and open it. You'll see the URL address for the exact video on top of that. Go ahead and copy the entire URL by highlighting it. Return to shrinkme.io and then paste the link right there on the tab. Once you paste the link, you must click on the button and they will immediately provide you with a shorter URL link. Take note of this connection. Set it away since you'll be using it later. Moving on to the next stage, you'll head to google.com and search for several prominent forums, specifically weight loss forums. Pay careful attention and stick with me to see everything. So enter the phrase weight loss forum and then hit the search button. When you follow this method, you'll discover a number of different places where you may publish the link, since individuals who want to lose weight will hang out on these forums and various discussion boards. They're the ones we're hoping will click on your shortened link. And all you have to do now is decide which of these forums you'll join. You can find hundreds of different forums by simply using Google. Stay tuned for this Google trick to get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your shortened link, so you can make the most money quickly if you get people from Sweden. For example, if you get individuals from Greenland, you can make 2 to 4 times as much money, which is excellent. In a minute, I'll show you precisely how to achieve it. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. Return to the website. Typically, you can join up and register for free whenever you go into the forums. Then fill out all of your information, enter your username, and then sign up for an account, and you can do the same thing on many different forums. The more of them you participate in, the more links you can share and the more people who will click on them. So here's the question. How can you narrow your search and locate more folks from Greenland, Ireland, or even the United States? As a result, you'll make money. That, you see, is an issue. You can get people from different nations to click on your link, which isn't a terrible thing since you'll still earn money if you choose this route. So here's a secret strategy that I'd want to reveal to you right now when you conduct various searches on Google. You'll go to the settings and look for the advanced search option. Please click on it. Then you may view the location. You'll have to filter them all the way to Greenland. Click on that. And then click on the advanced search option, and you'll be able to locate a bunch of forums that are relevant to you. You can just repeat the same methods on how to get a lot of targeted people from Greenland to click on your link. Still, unfortunately, the forum that's available in Greenland is very limited, so the second best thing that you can do is to focus on Ireland or the United States as well. Once again, you can just go back to Google and go to the settings, select Advanced Settings, then Advanced Search, and over the region, just find the United States, and you can repeat the same method again and again. This is 100% legal, and you will not be punished or penalized because you're not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. You're simply using different weight loss videos on YouTube. In fact, they will love it because when you share this with other people, they will get more views, and they're actually pretty happy about it. So this is how all of these folks from all around the globe make real money. And that's all there is to it. So did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.